Over the past several years, cryptocurrency values have risen to unprecedented levels, and many investors are attempting to participate. Investing in cryptocurrencies has the potential to be profitable, especially if you do it at the appropriate moment. For instance, if you had put $1,000 into Bitcoin, BTC 2.16%, 10 years ago, you'd have more over $15 million now, providing you held on to your assets and didn't sell them. While it is feasible to make a fortune with cryptocurrencies, not all investors will succeed in doing so. How probable is it that you'll get wealthy using cryptocurrency? Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's start. Understanding risk versus reward. It's simple to get carried away with cryptocurrency's enormous profits. In the last year, Bitcoin has increased by 372%. In the same time frame, its rival Ethereum has increased by more than 1,500%, and Dogecoin has increased by more than 19,000%. It appears difficult not to get wealthy with cryptocurrencies based just on those figures. But it's crucial to keep in mind that previous performance doesn't guarantee future results, and investing in cryptocurrencies is still quite risky. Cryptocurrency values might increase more, but they also could fall. In fact, during the previous month, the price of Bitcoin has already decreased by more than 26%, demonstrating how volatile cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrency is extremely speculative, which contributes to its high level of volatility. Who knows what the future of cryptocurrencies will bring? Nobody can predict whether it will be a resounding success or a catastrophic failure. By investing today, you might earn a sizable profit if it is successful. However, if it fails, you can lose everything. Should you invest in cryptocurrency? The temptation of crypto is difficult to resist. It's a brand new innovation that has the potential to revolutionize the globe, and if prices continue to rise, you may make a sizable profit. Before making an investment, though, consider your risk tolerance. Buying cryptocurrency might cause many restless nights if you're a particularly risk-averse investor during times of volatility. Historically, Bitcoin has lost up to 80% of its value, although it often loses by at least 20%. Crypto may not be the ideal choice if you're already getting hot simply thinking about your money falling by 80%. Additionally, before you even think of investing in cryptocurrencies, be sure your financial status is stable. Make sure you have a strong emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months worth of savings and only invest money you can afford to lose. This will save you from having to liquidate your cryptocurrency holdings in the event of an unforeseen expenditure. Finally, make sure your portfolio is robust and diverse. Because investing in cryptocurrencies is so dangerous, you'll want to have a strong core portfolio that you can fall back on if things go south with your crypto investments. Although investing in cryptocurrency might be profitable, it can also be one of the riskiest options available. It will be simpler to evaluate whether Bitcoin is the best option for you if you consider the benefits and hazards. The key to successful investing. To be clear, nobody knows for certain how crypto will fare over time. The entire sector is still speculative at this point, so even the strongest investments are not guaranteed to succeed. However, the right strategy can improve your chances of making money over time. Besides keeping a long-term outlook, it's also important to choose your investments wisely. While nobody can say for sure which cryptocurrencies will thrive over time, the ones with the most real-world utility are the most likely to succeed. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, 2.83%, and Ethereum, for example, are somewhat safer options simply because they're the most popular and widely used. Again, that doesn't necessarily mean they will succeed, but because they have more real-world utility than many other smaller tokens, it's more likely they'll stick around for the long term. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu carry more risk. Shiba Inu's rise to fame was based largely on hype over substance, and although it's been making strides toward improving its utility, it still lacks a strong competitive advantage in the sector. While nothing is impossible in the crypto world, tokens like Shiba Inu will face an uphill battle. When the entire crypto market is in a slump, it's easy to feel pessimistic about the future. But it's still possible to generate wealth by investing in crypto, as long as you have the right strategy. Nobody knows exactly what will happen with the sector, and it's impossible to say for certain whether investing in crypto will make you a millionaire. But with the right approach, you can give yourself the best shot at earning as much as possible. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.